Convert the following fractions to decimals. We've got 2/5, 3/25, and 7/20. If we look at the denominators of these, all these numbers either go into 10 or 100, and also the same idea if they go into 1,000 as well. So if we're going to convert a fraction when the denominator is a factor of 10 and 100, 2/5 if we notice that 5, if we multiply the denominator by 2, we're going to get a fraction out of 10. As we've done it to the denominator, we must do it to the numerator. So 2 times 2 makes 4. And then we can do 4 divided by 10, because it's easy to divide by 10. That will become 0.4. You'd move the decimal point one place that way. It's the same idea, 3 out of 25. If we multiply 25 by 4, it will go out of 100. Same for the numerator. 3 times 4 is 12. And then 12 divided by 100, if we move the decimal point 1, 2 places that way, you get 0.12. And C was 7 out of 20, multiplying by 5. 5 times 20 will make that out of 100. So we'll do the same to the numerator. So 7 times 5, we get 35. Then 35 divided by 100, 1, 2. That becomes 0.35. So this has been a video to show you how to change a fraction to decimal when the denominator is a factor of 10, 100, etc. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.